Wow, na no full time. Wow, na me o him pa when na enya meet here reach me. Mongo fie o ba bi dwale mongo bi sase o ye hwan no mo chance o hene peso hu no. O hene peso hu no. O I Bible mo pa bi so bi a asema.
Makan Bible no. Fiti Genesis. Akwa Revelation. Eti no ano I know makan.
The David o ye hene no. O gas wo pa obi antumi stop no. And waka say wo kuru ni wa say me kuru ni me kuru soja ni na eja okwa akuno and wo ho na David asuma ase enko ka say sa soja ni na okwa akuno
osuma me ekoka kire commander na odi aminanim say oma sa akwa no enkonkodi okonanim
sani yebetumi adan akuno why ni nyina say sa time no no I wie
and the price you paid on that day
now what the car wo ba ko na ne ba wi
oh my joy
na the second one na buy no ono ne friend ni ja solo no ono ni solo no solo no by mistake ono ni King Solomon no.
That's right.
Ono ni King Solomon no di David ankoko nyina no de wo ye no King Solomon e pie free King Solomon by mistake. Na King Solomon anyo no si Nyankopon asori dan no. Anyo no si.
That's right.
Ti by mistake etumi enyi no abesi asori dan ya. Mistake a David ya wan kokko a wokofa obi yire no ene Solomon pie free mu. Wia we obi hu no hu se me kura me ba wiase ba ya dan. Me ba wiase ba ya dan me by mistake. As a man planning my life, I'm a mistake. You keep calling yourself mistake. There are people who are calling themselves. I said they feel I am from Swobi. Send our form Asia.
He was the wisest king in the whole world. He became a wisest.
Solomon.
Yeah.
Ne from Swa ne papa David mistake awaye chinyano. Yawo no. And you know the guys are the wisest person.
Onua
wisdom, full of wisdom.
Ono na wo hwe Bible no mu a. Amba mienu a wo mo pre akwada ho. Wo de ni nyansa na jaji ye. Eno timi hu se akwada we eye DJ Willie ba. Na nya wo Dr. Prekese wo ba. Wo cheche mu enkyere se wo ba. Mo fa kwala na ma DJ Willie. Ewo Bible no.
Ewia we Papa Shamu.
Mame.
Many wo ba bi kasa wo pesu okoyi akola bigu. Because that man na onyin say no. I started kan sem yegu na som. Na edi kan no. And a bema no so adwuma say into ohu no say enne bema na hopeless. Enne de we hopeless. Enne oni tin, enne oni hwei. But God is not looking at our today. Is God looking at our today?
Never.
God has seen the future of that boy. Our uyem. God has seen the future of that girl. Our uyem. Men can say by mistake. Me na mene ko da na menye yenti aye mistake baby. Inti mi ko yegu. Never.
Se abaywa no enyi yenti koyima no. Se abaywa no onyiye enti.
Koyimano. Yes, people use that as an excuse.
Me hunu bia enne akwala no ono na ohwa de maame.
Onua FM 95.
Because papa na hwe no. Ono na ohwa de maame. Ono ye kimpi e wo fie. Se owo classes nti. Se owo form 1 nti. Koyimano.
Koyimano. Area way many abortionists for kasa, especially doctors who cause abortion. That any time when we baba say yimano no she reason behind no, but she no reasoning is stronger. Me patrol hura no. Na ka chance me yi awubewu. Eno anu ngo yibiom. Hura no because ebia na ne last na wodi an wo ba be yi atu ago no. Ne last kran wo ba be yi atu ago no. And when some people come to you like that, because people have done that and they've regretted. Last, I was speaking to a woman. I said, "Me hear abortion. Me hear abortion was form 4, or your mom called stand 7. Me hear abortion form 4. Minimum gas abortion in my minimum se many years cassia. Tia numasem. Minimum se many years cassia. Obey ye desire my time when you are back. We cry your massimuba. Grow for man, I'm a home. And I'm saying, or see one ba. I want him. Okoyigui. Because na yes reno the reason nti ogoyiguyo na yes reno and say na kwala ketua na wo de wo yem panyin say wa go fa wo na mfefo ni nyina asre ni nti okoye de okoye abortion and na wanyiska o say enkola wo ha nyina ba akokra nya masni mu ba, but I did it because of hearsays ni ankrofo kanti enimguase nti fedie nti. Look at the reasons why they are going, fedie nti boy ne eni onyin se me no ni waso anyin ena papa ni nya adwuma boy no ye papa hwe akwa onya adwuma oye kwasia wagimi. Look at the reasons why they are doing the abortion.
Oye me made ne boss na anyem no.
I will call these children mistake and from suo ya yam from suo my yam from suo samawo my young from Suo, some I say, or be great to be heard man. Whoa, now I am. Oh, papa, baby, bless her. Oh, papa, mamma, who are mamma family to know. Once was sharp, will any be with Dia. When himself for baby or more baby or more be on Dia. And yeah, because boy, a small boy and a papa, and a small girl and a papa, and treating a fine. So any time they look at.
I don't know what is going through you this afternoon.
I didn't hear.
Me who said a radi a room. Me who said who be no kasa. Because all kasa me show when nimu and yet the normal face now. They be out the year, your face has changed. Now me who said home crong a room. A foot to attack you over. Minia. You want my word.
And the man show bad that. And guys say, whoa, oh yeah, from Suo. I didn't plan for you. I didn't do, and I don't see why. Me bacho men share some from Suo da. Men share ba as a mistake. Most of the mistakes, child, no, or children we took as mistaken. Oh, where they weren't planned, biano. Omo kra no mbeye dey. Omo no mbabe ya kese. Omo wan plan ya momo no. Inti men cheda and inti na wokwaya abortion ejai abortion bi wo ho a efata se wo ye no de yenim so enne se bi abodamfo bi na urepu ana bibisa na ana by arm robber bi ana but nyame ni so no abortion no so betumi ayet say ebema something health wise bi na emma unya promodini esi ya ene yagitum. But said nipa wo be wo no nko na munim ne ebesi da ache de. We don't encourage that. We don't want to encourage that. So wo be wo nipa na nya aboa na be wo. We want you to tell yourself that fine papa yi apome. Send me a useless person, but I will give birth to the glory of God, and this child will become somebody great in future. That is what we want you to have. That is what. Speak positively to yourself. Amen. Tell yourself that none of my children, if I used to call them mistakes, where they meeting for mistake, be Obama be a fear be a man in a question, Bremina, Patria, and go to me, Jai, so friend. One now they can mistake Babana Braboso, but keep calling them your own. We name Yamin Mama, example, can see it. Next, what him be quack and one quack. And wo tum pasa and wo ko hu oba bi odwale no ne die na on him pon kase bi pie free mu. Until there is nothing in the eyes of God like mistake. In the eyes of God there is nothing like mistake. Esi enyesi esi amane ni si enyesi. But let's not encourage those things.